Wondering what the cluster display and dashboard warning indicators in your 2025 Kia Telluride mean? How do they enhance your driving experience? This guide explains the symbols and features to keep you informed and safe on the road. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. The gear system controls speed and torque for smooth, efficient driving. Air vents facilitate airflow, improving ventilation and maintaining indoor air quality. The audio system offers quality sound and seamless entertainment.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
Airbag warning light, seat belt warning light, electronic parking brake warning light, anti-lock brake system warning light, ABS, parking brake and brake fluid warning light, electric power steering warning light, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, low tire pressure warning light, master warning light, LED headlamp warning light, forward safety warning light, downhill brake control indicator light, engine oil pressure warning light, smart mode indicator light, sport mode indicator light, electronic stability control off indicator light, all-wheel drive lock indicator light, mobilizer indicator light, electronic stability control indicator light, turn signal indicator light, high beam indicator light, high beam assist indicator light, light on indicator light, low beam indicator light, lane safety indicator light, front fog indicator light, cruise indicator light, auto stop indicator light, auto hold indicator light, icy road warning light, low fuel level warning light, electronic brake force distribution system warning light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.